Cool video.
Certainly give him a little boost of confidence, because he's going to be key in this game. He needs to get more accuracy into what he's doing.
More video.
Yeah. There's a lot of elevation on those, but playing for Ireland on Tommy Bowe. Murray's stats suggest he's going to kick. And Lise underneath this one. Good hands to Mazin. Zani, very close to the touchline, spilled out over the touchline.
Oh, that's another mistake. Zani really.
Why he want that?
That's valuable possession on the counter.
It's unfortunate. I think I'd like to see Hamona actually try to isolate some of the receivers off the kickoff. Second rows tend to practice kickoffs week in, week out. To isolate them by putting the ball into maybe the midfield or slightly deeper, will either gain possession or gain
Right in the air, did he?
Coming up after this action in Rome, France against Scotland kicks off at 5 p.m. here on BBC One. Now, the Italians hoping to build a charge with Parise into the 22. Corey and Mona took it at a standstill, but that's quicker from Maurice. And it was Campagnaro who charged into the 22. Corey's there quickly again. Mona to Minto. This is where Ireland need to be organised in defence. Mona, the boot again. Tommy Bowe, challenged in the air by Parise.
Well, that's a poor option by Mona. That really needed to stay in the hands. It was a 50-50 ball. But in that situation, I don't think you want to be putting up a 50-50 ball. Italy had momentum there, the crowd were on their feet, they engaged the crowd, they really should have played through the phases there, I thought.
His kick comes off the side of his boot to the line out from just outside the Ireland 22. I'm on it kicking again, Carla.
Yes, I mean, I think there you just need to pull the phases and both.